So here's some examples of the different measurements that we can do. Obviously, we can do diameter, length, and width. We can also do height, but you can see some sophisticated measures here, again, which we're using AI to help us with that. We can be measuring on a baguette, the scoring. Is it in the right position? Is it the right length? Is it opening up appropriately? Is it deep enough? Tortillas, we can be looking at toast marks. We can distinguishing toast marks from dark spots. Seeded product, we can measure the sesame seed to see, is it there? Is it well distributed? And again, parameters can be set against those tolerances to decide whether something is acceptable or not acceptable. We can look at splits on the product. Is it in the right position? Is it the right angle? Is it the right depth? And we can also look at color as well. 3D camera is used for most of our inspection systems. You can see here, we can see a lot of information. On a bread loaf, we can see whether it's sloped, whether it's the right height. On hamburger buns, you can see that sometimes the peak point here is off center. So in this particular case, this bun's going to be sloped. Now you can set a parameter again to say you don't want them too sloped, but a little bit of slope is okay. But again, you have the ability to set those parameters. This is the bottom camera again. Again, the camera looking up from below through a gap in the conveyor and capturing one row of pixels as the product moves across the gap to put together the whole image of the heel. A big trend right now is using glazed on buns in QSR restaurants. So you'll see McDonald's, Burger King, Wendy's, they're all using glazed buns to enhance the appearance of the product. So in Vision World, that actually causes some challenges because you can see here on the right image that the glaze is actually reflecting some light back. And so when we're trying to measure the color of the product, it's very hard, the bake color of the product, it's very hard sometimes if you've got all this reflection to measure the color accurately. But also the other problem was that the bakers wanted to know, do I have enough glaze on the product as well? So again, we're using some new technology, some AI software to be able to measure bake color, but also at the same time be measuring the glaze. And again, these are the sort of challenges that come along as the baker's customers, want to have something new and different, and we have to respond to that.